Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Pearlmoon Ice Lake Iron Fiber Repair Shaping Shorts that has gone really popular on all over the social media, and a lot of people are talking about it. So in today's video, we're gonna dive in and find out if it actually worth trying it out and purchasing this item. As you can see, this product is available on Amazon and it has a slightly bad rating of 2.5 out of 5 stars. But the more concerning part is it is only based on 3 reviews, which means not a lot of people have bought this product. So this is a major red flag about these pants. Another thing is they are making a lot of bold claim that will help you to elastic body shape or shorts. It will help you out to control your tummy and all that. So the thing is, all these things from in just one shot, these are sounds like a bold promises that are not clinically proven. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on this information and the reviews of the people on the internet, I would say like this product is pretty much a scam, and it cannot do all the things that they are claiming to do. So you should avoid purchasing this item based on those reviews. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.